Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi ASX, stock number 6140. This ran from the 7th 2013 to the current shape. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,